Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and I'm an intuitive medium and energy guide. And I have been called to share downloaded collective messages from Spirit, from the Divine Council of Light, and my guides to share messages that may be pertaining to your life or someone you know. So if you came across this message, please tune in. Thank you and have a great day. The message at this time is in regards to conflicts that are arising. Now, this may be in your life. It may be regarding with people you know, even within the collective. The conflicts that are arising are messages of energies. And these energies are hidden sometimes within our soul and our spirit. And they can be triggered at certain times, such as eclipses, full moons, or certain planetary alignments. These energies can be cycles that have been repeated through past lives. They could have even been passed down from your parents, from previous generations, such as your ancestors. We are guided to stop and review what's happening with these conflicts from a higher perspective. They're not to be shown what's being done to us, but actually what needs to be healed and cleared from us. If we are being triggered by others, these are the wounds that need to be healed, and we have the power to clear these energies. If you are being overwhelmed by emotions, if possible, spend time in nature. Allow your emotions to release in a safe way. Holding in our emotions is not healthy for our nervous system or our body, and can easily cause us to erupt unexpectedly if we don't allow our emotions to flow freely. Your soul is asking you to use this portal of energy to release this energy and make a change. And this karma, as we say, is neither good or bad, it just is. This portal of energy began on February 17th, 2026, the solar eclipse, new moon in Aquarius. And this portal opened up, and the strongest energy lasts to February 20th. This change can be made with small rituals by making a conscious choice of change, as well as utilizing the method of writing down on paper with pen or pencil. This is a new beginning of change being offered to us, and we all have freedom of choice. And it's up to us to accept this change of healing, should we choose to. And that is the message that I received. I hope this helped in some way. Thank you for tuning in, and take care.